Come with me aboard Metrolink from El Monte Station to LA Metro's Regional Connector Service. First, you buy a ticket. Any Metrolink ticket is immediately transferable onto LA Metro for free. Once you arrive at LA Union Station, take the ramps downstairs to the main hall and look for the Metro A-Line platform. Take the stairs or elevator up to the A-Line platform. If you get lost, LA Metro ambassadors are always happy to help. The first new stop from Union Station, Little Tokyo and the Arts District. From Little Tokyo Station, you can also access the E-Line going to Santa Monica and East LA. Next stop along the A-Line is the downtown historic Broadway Station. Look for the beautiful murals. Next stop, Grand Avenue and Bunker Hill, one of the deepest underground stations in the Southwest. You'll have to take the elevator in order to get up to the street. It's a pretty short ride. At the top, you're right across the street from the Broad Museum and the Disney Concert Hall.